the most expensive thing you bought this year, Oliver?
Unodoli.
Unodoli. Say unodoli. Awumdala for unodoli. Abu usadlala. What's the most expensive thing you bought this year?
I would say I don't know actually, but look.
What's your love language?
English.
Love language yako English. So start rapping or still rapping?
Of course, my nigga.
Yeah, I'll drop in no by tupanyana.
Like tupanyana, fonyana, proper, china nanya, masikale, fale. Everything ivala, everything must say kasinyana, yabo. Everything MBK sin the free make my shit.
Unabazalwa kabanga yaziyonga.
Abazabam.
Kabanga yaziyonga.
The secret of Muslim.
Like God, it's not just only one thing.
Ilelima tengisebenzi wacho. Bandayenza heavy sex.
Yeah, happy ayithanda.
Bandayenza banazi ndidele chichi.
Shit. Do you feel like maybe Amachi right deserve love yako, bro?
Hey, Gaba! Not mine. They don't deserve it.
Why?
Because akatalwa because yeah.
Shit.
Kila min salumange, pechele juice your bed. Give she some like lahi, I made it tip handy. I'm really too much gani. Papuno shunwa, pedi ni match, pedi vange. Kila min salumange, pechele juice your bed. Give she some like lahi, I made it tip.
Eu shabuzi bya filmu ni misibare say case kusaseka sampega kinu tena da sauce. I'm here with
Fiona.
Fiona.
Slappy White City.
Okay. What's the most expensive thing you bought this year?
Clothes.
Crazy.
Like the dresses, then the long like the expensive so question.
Okay.
Sibakanjalo
Tiki zako zonke kwa Shane.
ndizithenge apha neko ticket down.
Okay, into namazali bakhe bangayaziyo ngawe chama.
Data.
Udata wena.
Ewe.
Data noba.
Hayi.
Yeah.
Check.
Bothenga ujola nenjanje.
Hayi bo.
Wayizo ukucheck.
Hayi bo, ingxaki ngithile so igama lakhe angocheck.
Yabo mbone izinja khona hayi kusewona ukucheck. Okay, ayiphi mna ndidiki no yogurt.
Yogurt.
Akawuyithandi idiki.
Hayi andithanda.
Uze
Hayi.
thini idiki.
Yeah.
Do.
Hayi andithanda.
Yo, bucaba kuse like abantu abakunika zona bona kuse abakunelisi la we.
Hayi ingxaki zandayenza before lo.
Cap.
Yeah.
Serious.
Hayibo.
Serious.
What's your love language?
English.
Love language yako English.
Thanda.
Okay, nakufila. Thanks for your time, Chuma. Yo, shabuzi dwa fiti mane misiba RSK is cruisa sika sampega kinu Canada sauce. I'm here with
Siana, cool.
Siana, hlala up Siana.
Let's see what the other people.
Oh, alright. What's the most expensive thing you bought this year, Siana?
Come again.
What's the most expensive thing you bought this year?
I would say I don't know actually, but look.
Wait.
Hey man.
Relax.
Okay, so manditi bana bone. Mazininga khot mana bo.
Ninga alright. Ndio nabazali bakhe bangayaziyo ngawe.
Yo, andifuna uqoka kazininzi gqithi. Cause bona nomuntu ukhulula ikasi yabo.
Sure.
Bazazi.
Yeah, umishini nje noba ikuse yi1. Into abazali bakhe bangayaziyo ngawe.
Manditi bana khotwana zinto nizenzayo yabona. Dimension. Yo, smoke.
Smoke bayazi boya smoke.
Bayazi.
Cap.
Yani.
Yeah, bayazi.
I send one message to your ex.
To my ex,
Yeah.
I would like to say tamkhumbula bona kwezinye izinto ndicinga ngazo bo ezinye izinto abanye abantwana bangakwazi uzenza for bisenze.
Shit, that's deep, bro. Yo. Yiphi manje isibumbu neyogurt?
Isibombo.
Simanje isibumbu.
Yeah, for me.
Ngicela uyithanda yogurt.
Ndayithanda but not more than so isibombo. Isibombo.
Lutho kodwa isibumbu.
Yeah.
Isibumbu uyasithanda sona.
Nana sincane.
Awe tako bro. Awe.
Shabuza bafeti, my name is Sibari AK School Sasaka Sampega Ken Utananda Sauce. I'm here with
Yonwaba.
Yonwaba wapi?
Wasitulbach.
What's the tool park? What's the most expensive thing you bought this year, Yonwaba?
Weaver.
Wave, AP wave.
Happy Weaver. Kelly. Piano. Be Malin. Be 1.7.
Shit. Yo, ayabiza ne? Yona we excel kuma fama cheap.
As in, I'm not buying the cheap. Yeah.
Yona bazali bakhe bangayazi yonga.
Abazabam.
Bangayazi yonga.
The secret I'm Muslim.
Like God next no, just only one thing.
The little thing to actually. But they have sex.
Yeah, happy Itana.
But they ends up and did church.
She belongs to the streets.
Shit. Tini la sini yako. Like kuti. Kabila nini?
Oh, actually, that's so personal.
I know that's personal, but Bonnie say.
But show me, I'm like and kumbulika.
Okay, cool.
So Carter.
Sure. Yipi mandi tikino yokati. Yeah.
Like
Sure, yipi mnandi.
Nepemnant.
Yeah.
Yogurt.
Kaba itani tik.
No.
Yo. Hayi bunjani. Wesiteka mani kanjani ngosiqala. Yeah.
I've not trained into the
How's the trend? Come on, I trend this.
what can
Yo.
Okay, like
Sure.
yogurt is up.
No,
and then kinenda uyayo.
Okay.
So zoitu both mandisho. Yes.
Like how's Rita? Like who's Rita?
Kubu chatting yogurt, hayi idiki nzoyirate mock ne yogurt.
You. That's a bar.
Tiku Rita. Oh. Yeah. Ay bo. Really?
Yes.
Ini. Muche wala. Yeah.
Tenu ngiyona.
You know, yeah, you know we are trying to guys, ne? Kaka mulu kucha in front of the camera. Thanks for your time, Choma. I'm here with JR Sky, Batini Bon. JR Sky, Ustalava. Tiba Bekas Kaslamil. Wene, I'd. What's the most expensive thing you bought this year? Buddha. Nike 2.5 TLP, what? Yeah, but you say for my cash. Shit. Away. Can I tell you the price? What was it? Yeah, it was 3.5. Yeah.
Cap.
Away. You know bazali bakhe bangayazi yonga. You know one thing. You know, let's say they don't know that. Me when I go to the bank, I took cookies and everything. Shit. That I can't tell them what's. Yo. Away. Send one message to your ex. Choanga, fuck you. Choanga, and funo o'clock. Ngase chopa udibana nebus. Chayiswe andlala nthini nawe. Do you feel like maybe Amachi right deserve love yakho, bro? Not mine. They don't deserve it. Why? Because akathalwa because yeah. Shit. Hayi nakufile. Yipi mnandi isibumbu neyogurt. Yabona ke ngoku is clear most this thing was. Isibumbu is always great, ne? But you feel like yogurt, we get it like Just mean times because we don't have money. Ne? Sure. But this boom, we get this boom every time. You can go around the corner, get another girl there. Boom. So this boom is always nice.
Sure. So you stand this boom.
You got it. You check a cool over cooler. This boom is the best.
Sure.
All I can say is boom is the best.
Kuna yogurt.
Kuna yogurt. Yeah, this boom is the best.
Kubini nusuma this boom. Chin lesson yako this boom.
Listen, I think it was Sunday last week.
Oh, Sunday last week.
Yeah.
We are lahamba mos.
Tiseme kwasikhathali. Yila siyancila, uyancila nayo nansika. So siyafumanana sometimes.
Yeah. Awuyikiti kanti kusesho khona umuntu kusabhizi nguye ngoku.
Hayi, loba ngakhona umuntu. I don't mind even if there's someone yakabhizi nguye. I don't mind.
Sure.
As long as ndifumana ixesha xa ndithe kuye, I'm call back and that. Hi.
Sure.
Can we meet today? Can you come visit me?
Oh, yeah.
It's fine. I'm gonna pull up.
Sure.
That's right.
Okay. Yazazi musiyathisa lapha ekhaya.
Sure.
Okay, ngicela undrophele nje i-top 3 ye-artists endisoyimbo ozaziyo zalapha ekhaya.
Zalapha ekhaya. Sure. It doesn't matter about a genre, ne?
Say like hip hop.
Ne? The Page Savage.
Oh, yeah. Shout out Page.
The AJ Stream.
Sure.
Okay. The third one is I just want the codes. Only the codes. Hi. Okay, the code. But I don't feel this one like as a real artist.
Sure.
Because the guy is kind of like, you see.
Sure, man.
But we can call it Stana, brah.
Sure.
Stana is kind of great, ne?
Sure.
But he's here. So Stana, I so wish you can just then you do the let the music do the talking for you, brah. Okay.
Aware.
Are we? That's all.
Okay, I bet. Can you just stop like the top 3 your rappers ozaziyo zalapha ekhaya?
Work rappers.
Yeah.
No, you're trying to get me into beef now.
No, like so only top 3 like ye artist uthi cause mabel khona ya likaka le. I wish thengisa amagwinya mana ayikho leyo yenza.
I fully stand.
Yeah.
But unfana this mamele work rappers.
Sure.
Unfana this mamele.
Aware.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for your time, bro.
Ayo.
Shabuzi bafeti, my name is Sibare, say case Krusa Saka Sampaka Ken with another sauce. I'm here with
Alive.
What?
I say White City.
White City. Oh, what's the most expensive thing you put to say, Alive?
No, Toli.
Onotoli. Say Onotoli. Tala for Onotoli. Abu Sadala.
I volunteer.
Copies. Type shit. Yeah. Dila bazal baka banga yazi yung yeah. I will do the job. Nitoni ay khula pila diza sala eu shabuzi bafeti bana misibare say case cool sasaka sampeka kinu tanada sauce with
Yeah, yo, at MBK Pablo. What's up?
MBK Pablo. What's the most expensive thing you bought to see, Pura?
Come again.
What's the most expensive thing you bought to see?
I'm gonna say like we don't die, we multiply.
Hey, man.
Oh.
Ndona bazali bakhe bangayaziyo ngawe.
Hey, shit. Many things. I've done many things that they don't know. Like shit, yo. I can't say it, yo. But it's like many things, bro.
Nakufiela pura. So you still rapping?
Of course, my nigga.
Shit, I'll drop in nobody tupanyana.
Like tupanyana, fonyana, proper, and china nanyan, masikale, fale. Everything you vala, everything must say casinyana, yabo. Everything MBK sing the free make my shit, you know. It's the shit.
Okay. Ufuna nje kubona next time. Bona utrophele nje top 5 ye-artists bona next fila Africas ozaziyo.
Hey guys.
Africas, yeah.
It's me.
Aware.
First of all. Oh, Papi.
Yeah,
unaziga. Yabo. Then like Maker, of course.
Maker, shout out Maker.
Yeah. Then like it's
Siku 3.
Yeah, so go with it. Then like it's okay socks.
Socks. Shout out socks.
Then like shout out to my nigga, my best friend, K-Boy.
Oh yeah, shout out K-Boy. K-Boy. Okay, now born instead the showing about entrepreneur like top 3. Yewe crepas uzaziyo because kakuthi xa uyimamela uqombile kakungasikithengisa amagwinya man bona ivula stand bona igame nje only top 3 ye artist uzaziqonda yale kakali ndithi kanti imamele like bona shit awe
Luka is a wag rapper, of
Shit.
course.
No, cha, we ha.
man why awe
Yeah, well,
true true bro
yes. I like there's many wag rappers like
You. That's a bar. That's a bar. If they don't feel it, they are not hot like us. Oh, that's another bar on top of a bar. That's a bar though.
yeah,
no
well,
like sebona and friend Jake said top 3 yako bro
top 3.
uzaziyo yeah
Yeah, well, no, but
Sige tubo na mo kawan.
yo, it's too many. Yeah, but can't 3. Yeah, but
Yeah, je like so tropa nje 3.
yeah, man, let it slide. Yeah, let it slide.
Yeah,
Yeah.
What you bring on the table good relationship?
I don't have a relationship.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, what type of relationship?
Like say like like feel always like okay can meet yako like
But I don't date, bro.
on date.
Yo, I don't
Abo.
date.
Send one message to your ex.
I don't have an ex. No. I don't.
Like Sandra.
I know. Like it's like one night stand. Like we find. We
Shit.
go. So it's not an ex.
Yeah, I thanks for your time, bro.
Talk about that slime rush, come out here. I ask you back phone, I see my feet. I'm fucking it, get me there, now I don't care. Slime off the top, ain't no time for a scratch. I'm pushing it.